Hello folks, it's me again. What is as usual, the weekly what's new. What's new? Not much. It's the holidays. I have 2 weeks off and I'm gonna probably hopefully make a lot of videos. That's about it. I got some seat foam in. I'll try to do some welding. I'm trying to get some videos out to you guys that actually doing some work so you can actually enjoy watch me do something instead of yak all the time. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe. Tell them if there's anything you want to see, let me know. I'll gladly make a video of it. Not much else really. Just took out the 3-wheeler, enjoying with the kids in the snow, pulling them around on one of those log carriers, and just gonna sit around and have some fun and try to get this machine. I might just take it out for a ride, whatever. But it's nice and dry and it's wet out there, so I don't know. Plus, it's not going to dry off in here to work on, so I might not tear up the snow with it just yet, considering I got to do some work on it. But other than that, I've got a couple of new tools, new videos. I'm actually making a video tonight of something I need because I accidentally threw it in the garbage, so I got to make another one. But if you want to know what that is, watch my videos. It'll either be, what do you call it, posted already or coming up soon by the time you see this video. But other than that, not much. It's just the holidays, and I hope everybody had. If this is put up after the holidays, I hope everybody had a great Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and all that kind of stuff. If I put it up before, which I doubt it, because Christmas is the middle of the week. So yeah, hope everybody has good holidays. Other than that, it's just a short thing. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and take care.